Look, I've wasted money on Amazon before. The LG 48-inch Class OLED evo AI 4K is not one of those purchases. You know what gets under my skin? Spending a small fortune on a product that fails to deliver. But this 48-inch behemoth is the opposite. It's like a breath of fresh air in the world of smart TVs. The thing is, you can't judge a book by its cover, and I was not expecting this level of quality from LG. Here's the thing, with the LG 48-inch Class OLED evo AI 4K, brightness is no longer an issue. The brightness booster powered by the A11 AI processor Gen 3 makes a huge difference in low light conditions. Imagine watching your favorite show or movie without any dimming or ghosting. That's what this thing delivers. I watched a Marvel series on it and it was like having the actual cinema experience at home. But it's not just about the brightness. Perfect black and perfect color technology bring an unprecedented level of detail to the screen. The 8.3 million self-lit smart pixels make for an almost infinite contrast ratio, resulting in picture quality that will leave you speechless. When I was playing a game on this TV, I could see every single pixel. It's insane. The next thing that stood out to me is how well the AI super upscaling 4K handles its most challenging tasks. I tried out some 8K footage and was blown away by the level of detail it retained. This thing can upscale any content to a staggering 8K resolution without losing any quality, which is a game changer for those with lower-end hardware. Real talk, the Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and Filmmaker Mode features are what truly make this TV special. The films come alive on your screen in ways you've never experienced before. That's what it means to be in the cinema. When I watched a 4K film on this TV, I felt like I was transported to another world. Now, here's where things get interesting: ultimate gameplay. This thing is built for gamers. The 165 Hz refresh rate and 0.1 milliseconds response time make even the most demanding games look silky smooth. It's no exaggeration when I say that playing Fortnite on this TV felt like I was right in the middle of a pro tournament. However, it does come with a price tag, which is where we get to the point of why this TV might be too expensive for some people. At over $6,000, it's certainly not cheap. But let me ask you, would you rather have an expensive piece of tech that actually delivers on its promises or one that just looks pretty? I'm not saying I'd personally want to spend that kind of money on a TV, but if you're looking for the absolute best picture quality possible, this is it. You shouldn't get this TV if you're someone who only watches Netflix and can't tell the difference between a 4K and an HD stream. You won't be able to appreciate all the tech that's going into this device. But for those of you who want top-notch performance, don't hesitate, grab it while you still can. Found this useful? Subscribe, I test a new product every week so you can buy smarter. Grab it through the link below. Thanks for hanging out, see you next week.